Join me as I dive deep into LCID stock and try to predict if this tech giant is about to explode. Lucid Motors, commonly known by its stock ticker LCID, has been making waves in the tech and automotive industries. This company is known for its luxury electric vehicles, particularly the Lucid Air, which has been turning heads with its impressive range and performance. As we explore LCID stock, it's essential to understand the current market landscape and why this company is significant. The electric vehicle market is booming, with more consumers and governments pushing for sustainable transportation options. LCID is positioned to capitalize on this trend, but like any stock, its performance can be unpredictable. LCID has faced its fair share of challenges. One major hurdle has been market competition. The electric vehicle market is becoming increasingly crowded, with established players like Tesla and newcomers like Rivian. LCID must differentiate itself to attract and retain customers. Production issues have also plagued the company, affecting its ability to meet demand and deliver vehicles to customers on time. These challenges can impact investor confidence and, consequently, the stock price. Understanding these risks is crucial for anyone considering investing in LCID. The latest news and financial reports provide valuable insights into LCID's current position. The company has been making strides in technology, including advancements in battery technology and vehicle performance. These innovations could give LCID a competitive edge in the market. Financially, LCID has been investing heavily in its production capabilities, aiming to scale up and meet growing demand. However, the company has also reported significant losses, which can be a concern for investors. Despite these challenges, many analysts believe LCID has the potential for long-term growth. Technological advancements are a key driver of LCID's stock performance. The company's focus on innovation could lead to breakthroughs that set it apart from competitors. For instance, its work on advanced battery technology could improve vehicle range and efficiency, making its cars more appealing to consumers. Additionally, LCID's approach to autonomous driving and connectivity features in its vehicles could attract tech-savvy buyers. These advancements not only enhance the consumer experience but also position LCID well in a rapidly evolving industry. Several expert opinions and market trends suggest LCID could be on the verge of a significant breakout. Some analysts predict that once the company overcomes its production challenges and achieves scale, its stock could see substantial growth. The increasing demand for electric vehicles and LCID's unique offerings could drive this growth. However, it's essential to approach such predictions with caution, as the stock market can be highly unpredictable. Diversifying one's investment portfolio and conducting thorough research are always wise strategies. In summary, LCID stock presents an intriguing opportunity for investors interested in the tech and automotive sectors. The company's innovative approach to electric vehicles, coupled with its focus on technology, positions it well in a growing market. However, potential investors must be aware of the challenges LCID faces, including market competition and production issues. If you're as excited about the potential of LCID stock as I am, share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more investment insights and to stay updated on the latest market trends. Check out another video on our channel about the future of electric vehicles and which stocks might be the next big thing. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.